A luxury rug can completely transform a space, adding warmth, sophistication, and a high-end feel. The right rug doesn't just complete a room, it elevates it. Whether you want a modern, minimalist aesthetic, or a classic, timeless look, choosing the perfect rug can make your home look effortlessly expensive. But what makes a rug look luxurious? Is it the material, design, or placement? Today, we'll explore the best luxury rugs that instantly upgrade your space and share expert tips on how to style them for that premium designer look. 1. Hand-knotted wool rugs, the ultimate luxury. When it comes to high-end rugs, hand-knotted wool rugs are the gold standard. Crafted with intricate weaving techniques, these rugs are incredibly durable and have a soft, plush texture that feels luxurious underfoot. The rich detailing and artistic patterns make them a timeless investment. Traditional Persian and Oriental rugs continue to be a symbol of luxury, but in 2025, modern geometric designs and neutral-toned wool rugs are also in demand. A large hand-knotted rug in beige, cream, or muted tones instantly adds a refined and polished touch to any space. 2. Silk rugs for a high-end aesthetic. If you want to add an extra touch of elegance, nothing beats a silk rug. These rugs are known for their shimmering sheen and ultra-soft texture, making them perfect for formal living rooms, master bedrooms, and luxurious hallways. A silk blend rug with subtle metallic accents can create a sleek, modern aesthetic, while a full silk Persian rug exudes timeless opulence. Since silk rugs are delicate, they're best placed in low-traffic areas. If you love the luxurious look but need durability, opt for a wool-silk blend, which offers the best of both worlds. 3. Oversized rugs for a grand statement. One of the easiest ways to make your home look more expensive is by choosing a larger rug. A rug that extends well beyond your furniture creates a more cohesive, high-end look. In living rooms, the rug should be large enough for all the furniture legs to sit on it, making the space feel unified and luxurious. For open concept spaces, oversized rugs help define different areas while maintaining a seamless flow. Neutral and muted oversized rugs work exceptionally well in modern homes, providing a subtle yet grand foundation. 4. Layering rugs for a designer look. A well-layered rug setup can instantly give your home a curated, designer-inspired look. The key is to mix textures and patterns while keeping the color palette cohesive. For instance, a natural fiber rug like jute or sisal underneath a plush, patterned rug creates depth and contrast. In bohemian and contemporary interiors, layering a faux fur or shaggy rug over a flat weave rug can add warmth and texture. This trend works beautifully in living rooms, bedrooms, and reading nooks, making spaces feel extra inviting. 5. Abstract and geometric rugs for a modern edge. For a truly modern and artistic touch, abstract and geometric rugs are a top choice in 2025. These rugs act as statement pieces, adding personality and movement to minimalist interiors. A bold black and white geometric rug can create a striking contrast, while soft pastel abstract rugs bring an elegant and contemporary feel. These designs work particularly well in modern apartments, penthouses, and stylish office spaces, where they enhance the overall aesthetic with their unique, eye-catching patterns. 6. Vintage and distressed rugs for timeless elegance. Vintage-inspired rugs are a major trend, adding character and a sense of history to modern spaces. Distressed Persian rugs with faded tones of blue, rust, and ivory give a lived-in, luxurious feel that complements both traditional and modern interiors. For a high-end look, pair a vintage rug with contemporary furniture, creating a stylish contrast between old and new. The key is to choose subtle, washed-out hues rather than overly vibrant colors to maintain an elegant aesthetic. 7. Neutral-toned rugs for a sophisticated look. If you prefer a calm, minimalist aesthetic, Neutral toned rugs in shades of beige, taupe, or soft gray are a perfect choice. These rugs create a serene and sophisticated atmosphere, making your space feel effortlessly high-end. Textured wool rugs, boucle-style rugs, and soft shag rugs in neutral tones add depth and warmth without overwhelming the space. These work beautifully in Scandinavian, Japandi, and contemporary interiors, where the focus is on simplicity and elegance. A luxury rug isn't just a decorative element, it's an investment that enhances the beauty and value of your home. Whether you prefer the timeless elegance of Persian rugs, the sleek sophistication of silk designs, or the modern appeal of geometric patterns, the right rug can make any space look expensive and well curated. Which luxury rug style do you love the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more interior design inspiration. See you in the next video.